Looking for the best free platforms to host and share your videos? In this video, we will compare the top 3 free video hosting platforms. Let's see which one suits your needs. First up is YouTube, the most popular video hosting platform out there. It's completely free and offers unlimited storage and video uploads. YouTube provides extensive features like custom thumbnails, monetization options, and powerful analytics. The platform also supports live streaming and community engagement through comments and subscriptions. Next is Vimeo, which offers a free plan with 500 MB of uploads per week and a total storage limit of 1 GB. Vimeo is known for its high-quality video playback and customizable player. While the free plan is limited compared to its paid tiers, it still provides features like basic privacy controls and video embedding. Vimeo is ideal for creators who want a professional look without the ads. Finally, we have Dailymotion, a solid alternative to YouTube. With a free account, you can upload videos up to 2 GB each and create playlists. Dailymotion's dashboard is user-friendly and it offers features like video monetization and basic analytics. It's a great platform if you're looking for additional exposure beyond YouTube. So which video hosting platform will best suit your needs? YouTube offers a vast range of features and an immense audience reach, making it the go-to for broad visibility and engagement. Vimeo stands out with its professional-grade video player and customization options, ideal for showcasing high-quality content. Dailymotion serves as a valuable alternative, providing additional visibility and a different audience base. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.